Hey guys, good morning and happy new year to all. Today you don't see any kittens here because they all are in the garden in the top. So like we promised yesterday uh, when we went to the pet shop, that I'll show you the garden on the top. So yeah, let's take a look at the garden today on the top. So this is where we went outside, right? And these are the small planters over here, right? And like I was mentioning, like this is the gate, the small gate here from where the kitten goes inside. The mom comes inside and goes out from here. So this is one place. So typically that's one place here, and yeah, so we can go up. It's a very nice place, nice view. It's very windy and it's sunny here. So let's go upstairs and let's see what they are doing today. So this is the house, and yeah, we are going up. So yeah, let's see what's happening. So here we have a money plant, what we call. So that's there, and this is the place where we will see the garden. So let me open it. They might be playing. I don't know. I just got up as well. So let's see what's happening. Oh my God, it's very very windy. Oh, it's very, very windy. So this is a small garden here. We have just reset it. It's very windy, and my mom just said that they are playing a lot. Hey, there is one here. Hello, 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 hello. What are you doing? You like the new place? Oh, she's biting. Oh, there comes the another one. Wow. They're fighting, they're playing, they're enjoying. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Oh, this is their mama. This is their mama. Hi, mama. How are you? Yesterday your mood was not at all okay, huh? What's you doing, baby? What are you doing? Oh, she likes the belly rub. She likes the belly. Oh my God! Just take them like this, and this is the place which they like. Okay, so give them a massage over here like this, or just a rub they really like. At least this mama, she likes it, and here as well. Okay, she she really likes that. So this is one place where they like, you know, you can be gentle, you can be fine, and here as well, right? This is a place where even dogs like. These are the two places where I know that dogs and cats and kittens they like. See, she's closed her eyes. This means if the cat, if you're doing something like this and if they close their eyes, that means they're really enjoying it. Okay. uh she oh my God. Okay, she's giving milk. They both have the same tone in the fur, same color kind of, so they are kind of resembles each other a lot. So great, this is good. Okay, I think they've got some. This is not the potty soil which we brought yesterday, but I think he's doing potty. We'll be putting a long video on the potty training. So if you guys wanted to know how to potty train your kittens in your house, that would be a very great video to watch. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. So whenever we put that video, we'll put a long one, because when these kittens, when they came to our house, we trained them, and it's very easy to train them, right? So we will really tell you why it is important to train them, and stuff like that, because we are staying in a flat. You can see that we are on the second floor here. So and we are staying in this second floor flat. So they typically don't go outside right now because they are small, so we don't want to send them outside. Maybe some other dogs or something, like some other animals may hurt them. So we are keeping them safe inside our house. So while they are inside our house, it's important that they are potty trained. So we'll teach you on that, on that a dedicated video on how to potty train. So if you are planning to get a kitten, or if you already have a kitten in your house, it will be very easy for you to train them on the potty stuff. So this is a place here, and this is a small garden. As I was saying, it's a little bit messy, but it's fine. You have a lot of planters here on the top, and this is a place where we come, we sit, we study, and stuff like that. So here they're playing. They're really enjoying. This is a basket and stuff. I have my yoga mat here. This is another money plant over here. uh, yeah, it's very nice. This is the east side of it, so we have the sunrise over here always. There's a nice, we get really nice, the sunshine and everything here. So very nice place for kittens. They're really loving it. And I think I will get them some soils like this for potty as well. So see, great. I think you see here they're getting comfortable here. Like they're drinking the milk over here now. And what I was told was they were really enjoying this place over here. Um, this is another place, but we have kept a fencing so that they don't go out or they fell down. So we just kept a fencing here so that they don't go here. This is a place where we go on the top. There's another place there. So I think that they are really enjoying it. I actually missed what they were playing and all, but I'll make them play. Like see, they all are playing, they are running and all. Very windy, guys. It's very windy over here. See here, it's very windy and it's sunny, right? So yeah, I think they all are enjoying. I'll make them play something. So yeah, like I said, I really missed. Yeah, you saw that sound. You saw that sound, and all the kittens went away. You know why? Sometimes I don't know why, but I've observed this. So this mama, she's very angry right now. See, all the kittens went away. See, none of them are coming near to her. See. You saw that? You saw that? You saw that? None of them are coming near to it. The reason because I've seen mama always gives them milk, but sometimes she doesn't like giving milk. For some reason, she wants to take rest or clean herself or something like that. I don't know, but I've seen that she reacts like this. Like she gives a tight slap to the kittens, and even like she becomes very angry on them, stuff like that. So and the kittens actually she keeps them away at some point. So that's what typically happens. And I saw that initially kittens were not aware, but in the second time, third time, they came to know that whenever mom does like that, they don't go near to her. So after like 5-10 minutes, or even after 5 minutes, mom is fine. See, she again came here. I don't know if you heard that sound, but yeah, I think she's gone now.
Actually, she needs some space for her. She
Yeah,
wants to take rest.
right.
Yeah. See, she's taking rest.
Yeah,
See, she's taking rest over here. See, she wants some. See, you can see she needs some time alone. She wants to spend some time alone, relaxed. Like every mother, she also
right.
need her space.
So I think if you have a mom cat, if she's in your home and she's reacting like that, I think it's natural. And even we don't go near to her when she's making that kind of sound or something. So yeah, see, these guys are exploring something. So we're just cleaning our house, and also you see something here. Yeah, we just keep it here. So yeah, I think they're enjoying it. They're liking it. They're liking the garden. I think they will come here to do some potty and all. This is our favorite Kalan. Hi, Kalan.
Kalan is enjoying the
Oh my God,
garden.
they're just getting used to this place, but they're really liking the soil, the mud, and these
And
planters.
they like clutter. They
Right.
want to play behind those,
Yeah, they just like to go inside some places.
hide and
Yeah, they hide and they play. It's very nice. See, they all are enjoying. I missed it in the morning, but my sister was saying that they were really enjoying and they were playing. So I think this is good for them to play
You want
around.
water?
I'll get the water for them. It's there now. It's
Uh-huh.
already there. Yeah, they're drinking water.
They're playing with the net.
Yeah, they like things, where they can.
New things. They like new things to
Yeah.
explore.
See, and basically you see their nails. They like to, scratch things which, like for example, tiles and all. They may not like, but if they get things like this,
Yeah,
where
Happy
they
New
can
Year.
actually,
Happy New Year!
hey,
Hi,
Happy New Year.
guys. Happy New Year! Kavan says Happy New Year.
It's not getting focused.
Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year to everyone. Say Happy New
Okay,
Year.
give me Happy New Year. Give me Happy New Year.
Yes.
Okay.
You want to play?
Okay, he wants to play. So yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, basically, what I was trying to say is wherever they can, lock their nails or scratch some soft area, mud, clothes, things like that, where they can climb with their nails. They like to play in those areas a lot. And yeah, see, they're getting afraid because the Kallan just run away. It's very windy over here. Great. So I think that was about it. And do stay tuned. Maybe in a day or two, we will make the potty training video for you guys so that you will get some information and to really help you. Like if you're even planning to get a kitten in your home and if you're worried about how to potty train them and all, that video will really help. So, guys, please help these kittens, show them some love, and we really wanted to reach 1000 subscribers, guys. Come on, like smash that subscribe button, and we'll put more and more videos for you. Comment like what you wanted to hear about kittens. If we know anything, we will really share like what we can. So yeah, I think these kittens have just come to our house now, but then their mother was with us for past more than 1 year. So yeah, I think we can share whatever we know, and we'll definitely we can do that. Great, guys. So take care and a happy new year to everyone, and wish you the 2022 happens great, and it brings all the good things, good vibes, and everything good for everyone. All right, bye. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye.